Now, in order to explain you the HTML block structure, first I'm writing the code in the notepad. The first tag has to be HTML. Then after HTML it is head. After head it is title. I'm just giving my first HTML page as the title over here. And then I will be closing the title. So this is called as container tag because it is having opening as well as closing. Now I will be closing head. I'll be starting with body. In body, you remember we are having h1. This is heading 1. And then I'm closing h1. h2. This is heading 2. I'm closing h2. In the same manner, I will be giving h3. This is heading 3. Closing h3. Now what I will be doing, I will be closing body, I will be closing HTML. Now, in order to show you attribute, I am using body BG, color will be equal to, I am typing yellow over here. So this yellow is nothing but it is attribute of body. Body is the tag and the color that I am giving to the background is yellow. Over here question mark is I'm going to replace it with the help of an angle bracket. We have to go to file, click on save as. After clicking on save as, I go to desktop. I'll just type 1.html. Remember, the extension has to be given as .html. Just minimize this. Are you able to see this one HTML? Right click, open with Google Chrome. I'm opening this. You are able to see over here, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3. And this is the block structure. This is the block structure, HTML, head, title, head, body. And within body, if I'm typing here now H4, this is heading 4. Whatever you type in the body will be displayed on the web page. So I'm just saving it and I'm going to refresh it. You will be able to see heading 4 has been displayed. So this is just an example of the overall structure of the HTML. That means it contains HTML tag, it contains head, then it contains title, close head, and then we are starting with body. Anything that you are writing within body will be displayed on the web page.